travel with my one and only girlfriend, Amy.
We're going now. It's boarding time.
Boarding time, guys. We've arrived Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, we're here. Ayun na si Shirley.
Good morning.
Okay, let's go.
Here in Doha. This is Harry.
Hello guys, how are you?
Wow.
You good? Everything well?
Say hi to all the people in the Philippines. And tomorrow we're going to paint the town red. This guy is so tall. Oh my goodness. 6'5". Me and Amy will be sleeping together.
Naku sis, malikot ako matulog sa gabi. Ano ba?
Where are we going? Hello!
We're now heading to the diplomat area, we call it at West Bay.
Sayaw na umaandar ang boat.
Guys, it's the condom building. Look. Nice. Good.
Cherry! Chef, please, picture naman tayo.
Sure.
Outside.
Alright, thank you.
Hanap kami ng
Ayan Ayan, guys.
Hello!
Kababayan natin to dito sa Doha. Ano pangalan mo?
Eugene.
kuya?
Eugene
Eugene.
Espinosa.
Ang galing niyang painter po.
1.5 years. Actually, 2 years na, pero here in Sukwa Cave Art Center, 1.5 years. I'm a guest artist here, but most of this one are international artists from
Wow.
Iraq, Egypt, Turkey.
Nice. So, meron kayong event on
We're lucky
Saturday.
because we're some Filipino here. 1 Filipina and 2 Filipino. So I'm one of them.
Ang galing.
More on portrait. Ilan naman kasi most of it wala na yung mga word and
Ilang oras mo ginagawa yan, kuya?
1 hour.
1 hour lang?
1 hour.
Oh my God.
Hindi. Kasi syempre, pag pinta ka ng pinta, napapadali
Yes, sanay ka na,
napapadali.
nasanay
Oo
ka
naman.
na. Oo.
Pero na-stop rin ako for almost 15 years. Na-stop rin ako for kasi more on digital arts na tayo.
Yeah, uso na ngayon.
Then when I come here,
digital eh.
parang tawag dito na, nag-try
Pero
na.
ano talaga yung ano mo?
Expertise.
Expertise mo?
Impression.
Ah,
Oil paint. Oil paint.
Oil.
Kaso pagdating dito, hindi naman masyado appreciated.
Ah,
Kasi
talaga? Hindi
iba yung culture. Ang style ng Filipino, influenced by pero dito Arab kasi. See most of their artwork more on
Arab,
symbol culture.
oo. Yeah.
So may pinopromote nila sa amin. Kaya may nag-a-adjust lang kami.
Ang galing, alam mo, dapat ganito yung gawin natin sa Pilipinas. No? Dapat we should promote more of our
And you know what?
culture.
And you know what? It's all free. Pinupo nila kami dito. It's all free.
Ah, talaga?
Oh, it's all free.
Wow, see, guys.
In-incur lang nila kami.
So they really support art here.
For arts and culture at saka sports, they really support.
Wow. Mr. Eugene Espinosa. Galing mo, kuya. Congrats ha. Amazed in this place. Nice meeting you.